Smartphones are an amazing piece of technology. They enable us to do so many things, like surf the web and connect us to our loved ones. They also provide us with an endless stream of content, so that boredom becomes a thing of the past. Depending on your age, profession, lifestyle, and preferences, a phone might mean different things for you. It could be seen as a helpful tool to help you succeed in your education, but it also could be seen as a distraction to whatever task you might be trying to accomplish. For example, on average, most people check their phones around 58 times per day. 30 of those times are during work hours. So no, your total screen time is not impacting your efficiency, but rather it's how often that you're picking up your phone and getting distracted that consumes most of your time. If you think it doesn't matter how many times you pick up your phone, you might want to think again. Nomophobia is a term used to describe the fear or anxiety that people feel when they do not have a working smartphone or a connection to the network. People today have become so attached to their smartphones, checking it regularly is like eating or breathing. It has become second nature and they don't know how to function without it. Now, you may be asking yourself why this happens. What makes people so dependent on their smartphones? Well, when we receive a notification on our phones, our brains are hardwired to give us a slight amount of a chemical called dopamine, which is the brain's pleasure chemical. This chemical acts as a reward for many different things, but in this case, it would be a reward for successful social interactions or beneficial behaviors. For example, let's take the popular mobile game Candy Crush. This game is specifically designed to reward you with just enough dopamine to get you coming back for more. This has essentially the same effect as a notification on your smartphone. This is why it is so difficult for some people to simply ignore a notification. With that being said, there is something that you can do. Let's say you're a student who's studying for a test, or you have a big work project that you need to get done. Simply being aware that this is how your phone works, you can take precautions to avoid falling prey to the temptations that are smartphones. You could set your phone to Do Not Disturb and even hide it to break your line of sight. Research shows that even seeing your phone fills your head with the desire to check it for any new notifications. Another possible solution to this problem would be to limit the number of apps that you allow to send you notifications. That way, you only receive the notifications from the apps that you deem most important. When you find yourself studying or working, it could be rewarding to give yourself breaks and phone time for each milestone you accomplish, like finishing a page or completing a chapter. Work can sometimes be hard, but it's something that needs to get done. And the less you get distracted by your phone, the sooner you can get back to the things that make you happy. Whatever the case, less distractions will make a world of difference in how you work, think, and retain information in your everyday life.